A very good afternoon to my YouTube friends. Today I am going to review one very special watch from HMT and perhaps one of the most pursued after watch or most desired and demanded watch from the house of HMT. Earlier, this particular watch model was being sold on the internet, but not it was not up to the mark of the watch collectors because there was something different about that model. But recently the HMT has relaunched this model again, and it has become a total success. And this particular watch model is really very simple, elegant, beautiful, and the most collectible watch in the house of HMT. So today I present you the HMT Pilot with blue hands. This Pilot, as we see here, has come inside a very good leather coated box, a very nice box from the house of HMT. There was a warranty card that I have removed. Now let's remove the box first and let us come to the watch. So here is the watch. So now you see that this HMT Pilot has a white dial. It has some guilloche patterns on the dial, and the most striking feature or the feature that adds to the beauty is having this blue hands, hour, minutes and seconds on the white dial, over the white dial. So these two combination increases the overall beauty of this watch, and that's why this watch has been most sought after or most desired for the collector's point of view. The video is little bit shaky because I'm not using my camera, I'm using my cell phone. So let's take a look at this watch. This watch is hand wound mechanical 17 jewels watch. Here you can see it is written HMT and Pilot. There you can see the guilloche patterns, you can see the indices 12369 and the green dots at 12369 indices, and rest are the indices with metal bits inserted inside. So you can see the crystal also. It is a polymer based dome crystal. It is very scratch prone, so please do not use any kind of abrasive to clean the surface. Do not use alcohol to clean the surface. If there is any smudge, use plain 1 drop of water. So you can see the watch up close and see how beautiful this watch is. Now you may see the back cover of this watch. It is written HMT, the factory production code, that is 0398, and it is made in India. It is shock proof, water resistant, and the stainless steel back. So here we see the case, and regarding the strap of the watch, it is a leather strap with the HMT logo here, as you can see. So what this watch I have recently acquired from HMT. I have online order, and many of my friends also and many of the committee members also have received this watch. So the first impression on this watch is this is really beautiful. This is the only review that I can give about this watch. Look how elegant this looks, how elegant it will look on your wrist. Maybe any members or maybe any collectors or any person who buys this watch, no matter if he is a man or woman or anyone, even you can gift this watch to anyone, they will just love this watch. This is a mechanical watch, collector's item, and actually the sad thing about this watch earlier was that this particular model that has been relaunched again was black marketed severely on eBay and other Facebook communities. Please do not fall trap to those kind of cons, because this watch has been again relaunched and it is available in on the website of HMT. Go there, log in, buy this watch. It is really just 2400 rupees. It is not a big deal, and definitely you are going to love this. So this is Ronnie Ghosh signing off again after this another review of HMT White Pilot. If the video is shaky, please pardon me because I do not have the camera with me right now. So signing off again. Next time I will come with some another watch for a review. Till then, watch my YouTube channel, post comments, post likes, and subscribe to my all the videos. Thank you very much.